In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the the John and Ginger Ambassador uh, personalized CSV file. Now, the CSV file is just a large spreadsheet of every single product in the John and Ginger site, but with unique tracking links already in play. This means you can get, if you wanted to run a campaign to link through to a specific product, you've got a spreadsheet of every single product, and you can just copy off the link and put it into one of your campaigns. But the real beauty of the CSV file is you can then use the CSV file real time to pull it in to your own affiliate software websites. So products can be shown within your own affiliate site automatically. If products go out of stock, they disappear off your site. So what I'm going to show you is how to access that CSV file, how to open it, and but then you would need to either pass on to your developer, or if you are a developer, integrate it yourself by pulling the CSV file directly from our servers. So once you log into the Ambassador program, you get to the dashboard, and over here you'll see your unique CSV affiliate feed URL. From there, you'll get a link. Now, this link is made up of this special code at the end. 1006 is my unique ID for this account. That you've got to use that as it is. If you put the wrong code in, then we won't be able to track your links that are coming through. So you've got to take this as it is. So what we do is we just do a right click and we click copy, and then we can just copy that into a browser and press enter. It takes a few seconds because it's pulling that straight from our database, and then we get a CSV file that comes down onto our computers. So what we can do is we can click open, and that will open it up in a spreadsheet program. In this case, I've got LibreOffice, but even Microsoft Excel will do this. You've got to make sure that you tell the application to open it up as tab delimited. This is the same sort of format as Google Shopping's feed files. So tab delimited, so where all the columns are spaced out by tabs. And then you click OK. And that shows you the feed. So what we've got is a unique ID for each product, the product name. You've got the link. So you'll see that all of these are unique tracking links to you. So if I went there and I clicked right click copy, if I copied that first product link, then what will happen is if someone clicks on that link and they go through, it gets tracked under your account and it goes through the Jessica Rejuvenation product. And then on the right, you've got a few more useful columns to you. You've got a link to the main image. So if you had an affiliate software and it's pulling in the CSV file, you can then use this main image to show that to customers. From there, we've got a price field. This is the selling price. Product type is pretty much the breadcrumb of where this product is within the John and Ginger online store. So it comes under brands, Jessica Cosmetics. So you can then use this to either structure your own site or in some other way. We've got the brand name, we've got a gender, we've got a color. The usual price, we don't usually provide that, so I always set as 0. But yeah, so I'll show you what happens in this case. If I took this link here, hopefully if I go through to that, it will go through to the Jessica Rejuvenation product. And if we just paste that in here, press, there you go, and it's loaded up straight away. So that page load now means that the Ambassador program has picked up that click. If I did go through in the next 30 days and purchase, that would be a conversion for that traffic click. So you would then, it'll get then tracked back onto the Ambassador program. So if we come here and I reload this page, you'll see now that we've got 2 pieces of traffic. Earlier on, it was 1 traffic. So now you get the daily traffic. So if you do send out a newsletter to say 1,000 people, you can see real time how many people have clicked through to the site and come through. But then you also get a traffic log up here. If you click on traffic log, you'll get to see the actual time they came through. Now it says the referral URL. So if it was on one of your websites, this link, we'll get the website address on here showing. So if you had multiple websites, you know which one's generating you the most traffic. But in this case, because I just pasted it straight into a web browser, There's no referral URL. So that's why it says, I think it's a bookmark, or I think it's come from an email. But then, yeah, if you put it on social media, put it on Instagram, you'll get the same sort of referral URLs coming through, unless there's some sort of privacy block, which means we can't pick it up. But we always pick up the fact that the page loaded via one of your tracking links from there. Okay,